Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's how-to video will show you how you can use DroneLogBook to keep a log of all your drones and your batteries and how often they're used. Firstly, you need to go to the DroneLogBook website. The link is in the description. Once there, either create a password using the register option or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, you're taken to your landing page. Here you can see your most recent 20 flights, as well as how many flights and how many drones you've used during this period. Today we're going to concentrate on adding to the inventory section on the left hand side. Firstly, let's add a drone. Click the inventory option and then click drones. If you already have drones saved in Logbook, you would see a screen looking like this. But let's add a new one. Click add drone in the top right hand corner. The first screen is then shown, which is the drone overview. Here you can enter the drone's name, choose the status, the brand, model and the type of drone you are using. You can also add here your operator ID in the legal ID section and the serial number of the drone and flight controller. Now the overview section is complete, let's move on to the geometry and inventory section. Here select the type of geometry. This is a quad X, then you can give it a unique number or name. Finally, give it a description and if you require a tag. The last section is the extra information. Here you can type the firmware version of the drone, the hardware version, select the propulsion type, fill in the maximum payload capacity, the drone's weight, its colour, maximum speed, maximum vertical speed, when you purchased it, and its insurable value. If you're borrowing the drone, you can click loan a drone. Finally, when all this information is completed, click add. You will then be returned to your inventory drone screen. Here you will see the new drone has been added at the bottom. Click the actions tab. This will allow you to go back in and edit or take further actions such as deleting the drone. Or click more info to see basic data about your drone that you just entered. To change the picture of the drone, click the person icon, which takes you into set avatar image. Go and select your drone image you'd like to use, frame it in the image, and then click save to save it back to your drone. After a short while, when you go back in, you will see that the drone image has changed to your photograph. And that's it. That's how to add a drone to DroneLogBook. Now we've added a drone, let's add a battery. So in the inventory section, select batteries. Here you will see a summary of the batteries that I currently have set up. Click add battery. Similar to how we entered the data in the drone, here you can give the battery a name, whether it's airworthy, and give it an inventory name or number. You can enter the serial number of the battery. Then select which drone it's to be used for. You can also give information such as cell count, capacity, its lifetime duration, initial cycle count, how many cycle counts it will take, if you've already flown it, how many flights you've flown, and how many days you've already used it. When finished, click extra information. In the extra information section, you can put in the date that you purchased the battery, the value for insurance purposes, the weight, firmware version, hardware version, as well as giving it a description. When you're happy, click add. When you click add, you will see you go back to your summary screen and you can see the new battery at the bottom. And that's it. That's a drone and a battery added to DroneLogBook. In the next video, I will show you how you can link your DJI account and automatically download the flight data from selected DJI drones to automatically update the flight time and flight hours for the batteries and the drones. Please like and subscribe as this new video will be coming up in the next few days.